This is a Kennco bed shaper, plastic layer combination unit, which will also lay drip tape. I do get questions about this great machine that is good for watermelon farmers, tomato farmers, hemp farmers, strawberry farmers. It is a great machine for any farmer out there to make the raised bed and lay plastic. Some of the questions that I do get: row centers. Most equipment comes 5-foot or 6-foot row centers, but you want something custom, 66-inch row centers, 9-foot row centers, Kennco can make it for you. We customize equipment at Kennco. Bed size. We do have certain bed sizes that are common, 30 by 6, 32 by 8. But if you want a bed size of 44 by 6 or 24 by 6 or any bed size at all, Kennco will customize that and make it for you. Some questions that I do get: where do I put my drip tape? There's a bracket built right into the frame, so you can put the drip tape right in the center of the bed. But then there is a bracket that is adjustable, so you can move your drip tape from side to side so you can be offset. Another question I get: I'm not getting a good tight bed. Put some weight on. Put a couple tractor weights. Put 200 pounds of weight on each press pan. That sure will help. Sometimes I get the question: my bed is crumbling. You do not have enough moisture in your bed. You're going to have to get some more moisture in the bed so it will compact and stick together. People will ask me, why is there a seat? So the person in the seat can make sure the drip tape is going down properly, the plastic is going down properly, and this machine will hold 2 rolls of plastic. So when the first roll of plastic is finished, he's got the second roll of plastic ready to go. Some people will say, I'm not able to adjust to get enough dirt on the side of my bed. Yes, you can. It is very easy. You just need to turn the shaft that the hiller desk is connected to and get the proper angle. You may have sandy soil, you may have wet soil, you'll just have to adjust it, but it is pretty easy. Just turn the shaft to the angle you need to throw the dirt inside the bed so it will bury your plastic. But if you have any other questions, please visit our website, KencoMFG.com, or give us a call at Kennco. We are here to help.